Okie dokie, so here we are, a new package. This one is from Temu, because I like Temu, because you get everything for a deal. But I got some cool stuff in here, and stuff for the channel, and a little something for me, and potentially something for my kid, which I can't show on camera because it's supposed to be a surprise. But I'll see if it's in here. If it's not, that's fine. Okay, so let's go from, let's say, boring to exciting. Okay, this is, my kid's thing is here, so I'm going to put this on the side. But look, all right, so first thing, you'd be like, ooh, there's a reason. Watch. Okay, look. So I bought a belt, right? Now, what's cool about this belt is simply, well, I won't do it all on camera right now, but it's one of those ones where the snaps come off, and then you can put on whatever buckle you want. And my other belt, like this, got like utterly destroyed. So, what's this for? My belt buckle. See? So you stick this in. Now you got the special customized belt, and now I got a cool buckle to go with my belt. So there we go, right? All right, now this one is another little something I wanted to get, because it's a keychain, but it's a special keychain. And if you take a look, you will see the Batmobile 1989 in chrome. So yeah, man, it's my new keychain. So I'm really happy for that. Not bad for $2, right? And then this is cool. This is going to be for the channel. All right, this one here. And we're going to do some experiments with it and all this stuff. And I have an idea of maybe how I could be creative with it. But anyway, what we got was this special camera drone. All right, so the idea here is we're going to use this sucker and we're going to make some cool videos for this channel. So make sure you subscribe, because you're don't want to miss out high flying adventure. We're totally gonna like Axiom-Man it up and like hit the skies. So it's gonna be awesome. So we got this sucker in, and then this was a steal, because again, Temu, right? Temu. Anyway, yeah, that's enough commercialization of that for the day. But yeah, we got this sucker in. So yeah, so to sum up, we got our special, so we have our belt buckle. So we have our belt to go with it. And then we got our cool 89 Batmobile keychain. All right, and then of course my little thing for the kid, which again I can't show, I'm sorry. But yeah, watch out, because we're about to take off. 3, 2, 1, whoosh. All right, cheers, subscribe, because you want to get those aerial videos. They're gonna be awesome. All right, take care.